Hello, Burke. So for this video lesson, we're going to go through your song, and then lesson 30, I'll just recap the ones we weren't able to get to 2 weeks ago, mainly on pages 2 and 3. So here we go. So the first line of your song. And then we repeat. Just 3 5 3 5 5 7 5 7 1 3 1 3 3 5 3 5. Next part. We repeat that 5 6 7 7 6 on the 4th string. 3 5 3 5. Next part. Goes up to there one more time. There. Next part. Next part is just 12 10 9. So backward 12 10 9, pinky middle pointer, and then middle pinky. So back forward back and then 9 9. You see that? Back, forward, back, and then a double 9 at the end. Drop down and it's pinky, middle, pointer, and then back to the middle finger for the 10th fret. So those two parts. And then at the very end, this last line. There it goes. And now I'll go through the first page. So right here. We'll go right here from the 6 to that 5 on the 3rd string. So remember 6 3 times on the 2nd string, 8 9. 8 6 5 5 5 5, and that's all on the 3rd string. Now we go 8 5 5 5, 8 5 on the 2nd string, 5 5 on the 3rd string. Next part, just 6 8 6 8, alternating between the 2nd string and the 1st string. 8th fret on the 1st string, 6th fret on the 2nd string. So same thing right here as we did at the beginning. From here, those two measures are the same. So after that, then we go 8 2nd string, 13 17, and then 18. So I'll start right here and go to the end. So remember 2nd string 8 13 17 18. 17. That's the 18th fret right there. One more time with that one. I'll do it slowly. There's that one. Next one, U2 at the beginning, open on the 5th string, 19th fret on the 4th string. Remember the open in between the 19 frets. 1, 2, open 19, open 19, 1, 2. You repeat that 5 times, and then you go open, open, 6th and 5th string, 3rd string, 6, 7, 6, 5, 7 on the 5th string, 5, 4 on the 4th string. Right there. This whole part right here. So that's what that sounds like, and that just keeps repeating. That repeats 5 times, and that just keeps repeating for a while. Next thing, Blur song 2. We'll do the first measure, 8, 10 on the 5th and 4th string, and then mute, mute, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, and then mute, mute. And then we go up to the 3rd and 4th string, 6, 8 twice, 1, 8, 10, 10, 12 4 times, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when he says woohoo, so with that one you can bar with your pointer the 8 and 8 on the 6th and 5th string, and you can use your ring and pinky for the 10th frets on the 4th and the 3rd string. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. So kind of pretty much like this pattern right here. You do it here, 4, 6. Go one more time with this last one. That's how that sounds. Moving on. Green Day Waiting. The picking pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down. 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 We start with a 4, 6. And then you go up to 4, 6. Now 6, 8. Back to that up 4, 6 on the 5th and 4th string. Just remember that last down is open, open. One more time, slowly. So it's just the 4, 6, up 4, 6, 6, 8, up 4, 6, and that just keeps repeating. There's that one. Next one, flash of the blade. Remember the flick, fret, and then flick the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 7s, 4 8s, 4 10s. The power chords in the background, 5, 7. You can just do the 2-finger version if you want. So 5, 7, 6, 8, 8, 10, 5, 7, 6, 8, 3, 5. While that's going, that's when you're doing the fret and flicking, so you can mute all the other strings with your right hand, left hand. Do that with each finger also. Go through all your fingers with that one. That one's a good exercise and a fun one to play. Next one, Iron Man. Later in the song, 7, 9, 7, 10, up to 7 on the 5th string. So. Then 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9 on the 5th and then the 4th string. One more time. slowly. All right, next one, crazy train. Remember, 2nd fret, 4, 5, 4 on the 5th string, 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. First measure sounds like this. Remember, inside picking also, so how I do this, I go down. Yeah, I start with down, down, and then I go down on the 4th fret. And then I start going up, down, up, down. So in between the strings right here, that's where I go up, down, up, down. And here I can do this also. So this is a downstroke right here, so I'll go down, 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 up, down, up, down, and up. And it's an up because remember the thickest string is right there, so an up would look like that. So how I do that? See that? 2, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, up. So now, all you do here, the 2nd fret goes to the 5th string, and now you go 5, 4, 5 on the thickest string, back to 2, 5, 4, open. And here I go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Next one, the palm mute section and For Whom the Bell Tolls at the beginning. So that one is a really good exercise also, and that one's also fun to play. For palm muting, make sure this part of your hand is all the way back towards the bridge. You get kind of dig into the strings a little bit to get that aggressive palm muting sound, or tone it down for a light palm mute. Or next part comes right after that. We go to the 3rd string, 12 with your pinky, 9 with your pointer, the 11th fret with your ring finger, and then this is where you go 12th fret on the 4th string, and it comes back to the 3rd, and it goes down, back up, down, up. So it's just your pinky moving up and down the strings. It's a good pointer ring pinky exercise. Next part comes right after. This part repeats many, many times. We palm mute. So 3 palm mutes to 3-5 power chord, 3 palm mutes 5-7, back to the 3-5, and then 1, 3, 2, 4. So this whole section, 1, 2, 3, bam, 1, 2, 3, bam, 1, 2, 3, bam, bam, bam. Next part, same beginning here, except we add the 1, 3. So 1, 3, 2, 4, and down to 1, 3. So this whole section. And we add the 2 palm mutes before that also. One more time. There's that one. And now, Creeping Death right here. 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 palm muted. 8, 10. So 8, 10, 5, 7, back to 7, 9. One more time, and that's up to right there. right here, 10, 12, 8, 10, back to 7, 9. And it just keeps repeating. These 3, and then those 3. It just starts out with the 7, 9, like you're ending this phrase at the end. So that whole thing. That's how that one, just the... It just keeps repeating. Two more, and then we're done with this one. If you remember the ending of the Hotel California and how I strum this one, it's down, up, up. And I changed these back because I changed them to make them a little bit easier, but you said you could do the original ones, so they're back to the original versions. If you can see here, the pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the first one, and then 2, the second one, and then you do the first 2 with a slide at the end. So 12, 9, 12, 9, slide. You see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slide. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slide. Same thing here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slide. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, slide. And here it's 5, 5, 5, and 5. So the first measure, 14, 10, 12, pinky on the 14th fret of the high E string or first string, and pointer at the 10th fret, middle finger goes to the 12th fret. You can keep your pointer on the 10th fret. And I go down, up, up. Next part, 12, 9, 11, 12, 9, 11, 12, 9, slide to 18. So there's that one. Next part, 12, 9, 10. All right, and then we jump back to 10, 7, 9 on the second string, 9th fret on the second string. That's what that sounds like with that. Next one, 10, 7, 8. Keep that pinky on the 10th fret, pointer goes to the 5th fret, middle finger on the 7th fret. And then last part, 7, 3, 5. 9, 6, 7. And now the pattern for the slide, you slide to 18 first. Next you slide to 16. Oh. Hear the difference with the 18, 16, next one. And then the next two, you slide 14 and 14. So that's that pattern. Just remember 5, 2, and on the third one, you just do the first 2, and then slide. Slide 18, 16, 14, 14. Now last thing, Stone Cold Crazy, this riff, we do the harmonic on the 5th fret. So over the fret wire, just lightly lay your finger on the right side of that fret wire, kinda, like on top of it, but a little bit to the right. So you hear that noise. If you're fretting too hard, it'll sound like this. Just take off a little pressure. Or you can start with no pressure and Just gently apply, so you can start from an open note. You can bend right here behind. It's hard to bend it on this one because it's really flush with the guitar. Or you have a whammy bar and then you can really get that one. So the riff of this, after that alternate harmonic, or the natural harmonic. One more time. So you do palm mute in this, but just get it open for now, especially that alternate picking. That's that first part. Next part. That's just 1 3 3 3 1 3 3 on the 5th string, and then 2 3 4 5. And I'm muting by dropping down this part, my picking hand on the strings right after I pick. That's just 2 3 4 5. So that full part right there. So there's all of those riffs. They're really good to practice and get down. And then one more time, so you can see, here's your song. And think of any changes for next week that you may have. We can change that and print it out. All right. Have fun practicing that, and see you next week.